Hello students, I Gurmeet Singh welcome you to CREATA classes. In this lecture, we will cover exercise 13.2, question number 6, chapter statistics for class 10th students. This is the question number 6. Our first step, let's observe the question. In this question, data is given regarding the number of cars passing on a given road. The question is that a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. So in this question, a student is sitting on the side of the road and he or she is noting the car passing by on the road. That student has done the observation for total 100 period and each period is 3 minutes long. Why that student is doing so, I do not know, but he or she has spent a lot of time in preparing this observation sheet. Okay, 100 periods and each period is 3 minutes long. So total 300 minutes of the observation. Let's see, in this question we have to find the mode of the data. If you observe, in the first row we are having the number of cars, in the second row we are having the frequency. For example, if we talk about this column, in the 7 periods, the range of the car passed is between 0 to 10. In the 14 periods, the range of car that has passed is 10 to 20. On the extreme right, in the 8 periods, the number of car passed are 70 to 80. Got it? This is the observation table and we have to find the mode of the given data. So this is the formula. Let's identify the various components of this formula. And what is the first step in calculating the mode? We find the modal class which corresponds to maximum frequency. So let's identify the maximum frequency. Here 20 is the maximum frequency, which is F1, and the class corresponding to maximum frequency is the modal class. So the range 40 to 50, this is the modal class. And what is F0 and F2? F0 is the frequency before our model class frequency and F2 is the frequency after the model class frequency. So F0 it is 12 and F2 it is 11. Okay. Next, let's find the value of L, which is the lower limit of the model class. This is the model class and the lower limit of the model class is 40. We got L as 40. Next, let's find the class interval, which is H, upper limit minus lower limit. 50 minus 40, it is 10. We got the value of H as 10. We have identified all the values of the formula. Let's put it into the formula. Let's solve it. We got our answer as 44.7. The model number of the cars are 44.7 cars. That is the answer. We have done with the question number 6. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If so, please like, share and subscribe. And also check out the description for various resources related to class 10, like the continuing lecture, the lectures related to other topics, and the PDF of the formula list. All this in the description, check it out. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA classes. Have a great day. Bye for now.